Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aries Nicole, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this big voluptuous curly hair with clip-ins, DIY clip-ins, stay tuned. So before we get into the video, I was showing you guys how I install my clip-ins and blend my leave out. I'm just going to go in with a few details about this hair. This hair is a YMS Beauty or YMS Hair from Aliexpress. I will have the direct link to this hair in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. I bought 4 bundles of 20 inches back in March, and the hair is still thriving beautifully, soft, full, rarely any shedding. I feel like the only shedding I get is when I'm washing it, and it's curly hair. So of course, if you're interested in finding a curly hair brand that's inexpensive, definitely check them out. I did use all 4 bundles to make these clip-ins. If you would like a detailed video on how I install the clips onto the wefts, I will leave the direct link to the video that I did on TikTok below. And if you guys want me to upload it as a YouTube short, just go ahead and comment a white heart and I'll go ahead and upload that as soon as possible.
Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know.
So you want to know a little secret? So I'm sure you're wondering why I have different curl patterns in my hair, and I'm going to tell you why. The purpose of me wearing curly hair and to get the reaction of, oh my god, I love your hair from people, because they really do think this is my hair, and I'm going to tell you why. I only have about 3 tracks of a deep wave, and I honestly don't remember the company. Please don't kill me, but honestly you can go with any type of deep wave company that you feel. Get you a really deep wave, or I don't know, some type of bomb curl. Not that loose wave. Don't get that. Don't get no loose wave. Don't get no body wave. Get you a deep wave or some exotic curl and pop in about 2 to 3 tracks into the hair. Because what happens is, if you notice on natural hair, some people's natural hair have different curl patterns. Like not everyone has the same curl pattern all over their head. So the purpose is to mimic a natural curl pattern, and that's what we're doing here. You know, some curls are a little bit more, you know, relaxed, but this is what makes people wonder, like, oh my god, how'd you grow your hair like that? That's just my little secret, and now you know. But yeah, I think it makes a big difference, and it definitely makes it look more natural. In my opinion, it makes it look more natural. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!